Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a little DIY project. I saw this video on TikTok because that's literally where I get all my ideas. They were doing DIY home decor, and so I was like, okay, this is kind of weird because it's Dollar Tree vibes, but then I kept watching the video and then it came out really cute. And I've honestly been looking for pots similar to this, but they're super expensive. $100 plus. I'm like, for pots? Are you serious? In today's video I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY, which hopefully it works out. So I'll go ahead and insert a little clip of the video from TikTok that I found somewhere here, if I know how to do that. Future me, do you know how to do that? I don't know. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna head over to Dollar Tree, but we'll get into all that in this video. So if you guys want to do a little DIY project with me, continue watching, and let's go to the store right now. I'll do a little montage of me getting all the supplies, and then we'll come back here and do the DIY. Okay, so here are the items. I'm about to do a little haul of everything that you're gonna need for this little DIY project. In total, I spent, so at Dollar Tree I spent $2, and then I spent $2 on the paint, $1 on the brush, and then these were $6. You don't have to get these are optional if you want to decorate your pots, however you want to decorate it, but these are optional. So we're not gonna include this in the price. So, oh my god, me not being able to do math. No more than $10. We'll leave it at that. Okay, so from Dollar Tree, here are the pots that I got. So first one, I got this one, ASMR. Oh, look at my reflection. I mean my... I got this one. I thought it was super cute, a little tall one that we're gonna paint black. And then the next one that I got, I only got 2 of them because I didn't want to get like too many because I don't really need that many. This kind of vase, this, and I'm sure when this is painted it's gonna look like an actual pot, so love that. The paint I got from Michaels. You could go to Walmart, Target, wherever. I got the black acrylic paint from Michaels. I just got this brush right here. Then you're also gonna need baking soda. And then last thing, like I said, I got these to decorate the pot. Okay, they have no name, but they were made in Italy, so I love that. So yeah, that's everything that you need. It's super easy, super simple. So let's go ahead and get started with this cute DIY. I'm so excited to finish it, and I think I'm gonna display it. So eventually I want to get shelves on this wall, and I think it'd be so cute with like brown shelves and then the black pots with all the decoration. I'm excited, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, so now it's time to get on to the fun part. I'm just gonna set newspaper up because I don't want to get everything messy, especially on my white desk. That's sad. And then I'm just gonna place everything so I can show you guys exactly what I'm using here. So I was gonna take the sticker off here, but I'm like, I'm just gonna paint it, so why should I bother? But here I'm gonna pour all the paint. I'm not sure about the amount. I kind of just eyed it, and then once I mixed it up, I was like, okay, that looks perfect. The texture you're going for is like a grainy, almost thick paint. This way it gives it the texture when you're about to paint. So I put a lot of baking soda, but sorry, I don't have the correct measurements. Just kind of eye it out. Now it's time for the fun part. I started off with doing the inside of the top here. You can't even see because I suck at recording, I know. I'm working my way down. I felt like it's easier that way. And then you also want to make sure you're painting in strokes the same way. This way it looks like that texture. So here's an example of what I mean when I say to paint in the same direction, so that it gives it that texture as you guys can see in this clip here. Now I am done, and it's time to move on to the second one. So it's the exact same steps for this one. You just want to start at the top, work your way to the bottom, and as you can see in this one, the texture is very thick, and that's the texture you want to go for when you're making this DIY. Okay, so it's been about, I want to say 20 minutes. It's 8:40 now, and I'm so excited. These are literally turning out as I expected. Like, TikTok comes through, I swear. You learn everything on TikTok. See how, like, the texture, I don't want to touch it because I don't want, it's not really dry yet. As you can see, that one's still drying. This one's kind of dried, but not really. But do you see the texture on this one? It looks like an actual like ceramic pot of that. So yeah, obviously it's working. This one is really wet. I think I put too much, but I wanted it to be like layered, you know what I mean? Obsessed. I'm so excited. This one's drying way faster, and I did this one after that one, which is kind of weird, but science. I just wanted to check in and update you guys. I think I'm gonna probably have to leave these for another hour, especially this big one right here, the last one I did, because it's still wet. So, but I'm super excited. They are turning out just like I thought. So this so far is working. If you don't want to spend tons of money, you could spend like $6 and it's still gonna look cute. So okay, so it's much later and it's literally 10 o'clock right now. It's 10:01. Let these dry for about an hour and a half. For the most part they're dry and I feel like it feels fine. Like there's nothing on my hands. I love them. It's time to decorate, but I'll show you guys the texture of them on what it looks like. Okay, so here they are. Here's like the texture of them. As you can see, it's a little wet, but it's not like super bad. And look at it. I love it so much. And I ended up doing the inside of this one just a little bit because I didn't want to do the whole thing, because at the bottom I'm going to put my bath bombs and you're not going to notice just this part really. Here they are. Love them, love them, love them. But it's time to decorate. So so that concludes my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am obsessed. It looks so cute. If you like more of these little DIYs, definitely let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely do more. The fact that I spent $6 on everything that I had here, minus the decorations that go inside, I'm like, that's a steal. And they look so cute, especially like, look. They look expensive. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below for more videos, and follow me on social media as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.